going to be opening up the 6-pack power box from Walmart, and I have no idea what's inside it, and I look like a dude. Okay, so you get 6 power box. So let's see, you get 6 packs and a promo card. Let's see what you get. You get a Breakpoint, another Breakpoint, a Steam Siege, another Steam Siege, a Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, and the last pack you get is Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. And the promo card you get is Ash's Pikachu. So I'm going to go with Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. And here is a code. I'll make sure you can see it this time. Okay, so you have the energy, a whatever, I don't feel like reading that, a Vanillish, Wish, I know how to say it but my brain is not awake yet, a Salandit, Nosepass, Tallow, Rockruff, Goomy, another one that I just really don't feel like reading, and a holo Machamp. Can you see the holo? Probably not. Now we're going to do the same, another Guardians Rising. There's another code. So you get the same thing I don't feel like reading. Another Vanillish. A Choice Band. Cottony. Carvana. Yeah, I'm just not in it today. Gatita. Castform. A Rescue Stretcher. And a Hala Trainer Full Art. I was not expecting to get this. Now we're going to do Steam Siege. There's another code. You get Ninja Boy, a Clang, a Bravery, Mankey, Mantine, Teentine, whatever, Sneasel, Hoppip, a Fletchling, that's cool, a Hydreigon Break. I don't have any breaks, so I'm going to count that as a pull because I don't have any break cards. And the last card is a Bastion. To do the other Steam Siege. Here's another code. Halucha, Tangle Growth, Ponyta, Meryl, Oshawott, Krogunk, Tangela, a Drifloon, and a Toxicroak. Doing the 2 breakpoints now. The code. Sorry if my voice sounds funny, my throat hurts like hell, but yeah, I look like a dude. Anyways, there's an Electivire, a Reverse Valley, a Frogadier, a Spritzy, a Glameow, a Slowpoke, a Squirt, but I can't pronounce things right now, a Gibble, Psyduck, and a Drapion. And the last pack of this set, little box thing, well, that was pointless. Here is the last code. Don't park by me. So you have a Scizor Spirit Link, the Blade, a Psychic's Third Eye, Staryu, Skrelp, Cricket, I don't know, whatever. Drowsy, looks drunk as fuck. He looks like he's had one too many. Growlithe, looks pissed. Ooh, another break. This one is Luxray. And a Trevenant, whatever. A tree, pretty much. So there's Ash's Pikachu, the Machamp Hollow, the Luxray Break, the Hydreigon Break, and my favorite card, the Hala Trainer card. Thank you for watching.